If you own a Pfaff Performance Icon, we have a brand new online course for you, the Pfaff BOOTCAMP Lite online course. Hi, I'm Sara from sewingmastery.com.
And I'm Liz from Sew A Lot.
And there's actually a ton of features that we are focusing on in our Pfaff BOOTCAMP online course.
Right.
But what we've done is we have pulled out all the features that can also be applied
To sewing.
to the sewing only machine.
And there's a lot. There's a lot of new stitches that you teach them to make in sewing.
So if you haven't mastered your stitch creator or your sequence creator, we are going to hijack some of the Viking stitches and teach you how to do them, such as the pop-up stitches,
The sequin stitches.
the applique stitches.
And this one is fun.
I did find a new way to make
fringe stitch.
fringe stitches all in the stitch creator.
Yes.
And you know how I love decorative stitches.
Yes.
But there is more. You will find that the mySewNet website has things for the users of the sewing only machines.
Right, it's not just embroidery. With the mySewNet ecosystem, there are some things for the sewers like Project Creator, where you can actually go into the web page and plot out your projects to keep track of the steps that you do to make something. Or there's also the blog in the machine, which gives you lots of really neat ideas and inspirations for using your sewing machine.
We're going to show you how to set up a mySewNet account, which is free, and how to log in via your Wi-Fi so you can stay up to date when Pfaff sends out new things for your machine.
We talk about the importance of a stitch book and how it really gives you more perspective about how cool your stitches are.
Everybody who has done a stitch book in my classes have raved that they know their machine even more.
Right. And then they tend to use their decorative stitches more.
I think so. I know a lot of you have bought this just because of it being a larger machine.
Right.
You might use the straight stitch or free motion quilting quite a bit, but we're going to show you even more uses with the decorative stitches. We do hop over and talk about the Pfaff Stitching Cosmos online course that will even expand your use in more of the presser feet.
Yes.
So if you're looking to use this machine and all those wonderful accessories more, check out the online course for the Stitching Cosmos.
And with all the accessories, we talk about the Pfaff Footbook and what a nice resource this is for you on how to use all of your presser feet.
You can get this at your local Pfaff store or via the digital version, which we host on our website. And you can also print off 2 pages. The 2 inside pages have the feet on them. So if you want to check off which ones you have and which ones you want, those 2 pages are a free download for you. You also will have access to the Facebook group.
So you can ask questions and share your projects.
And we'd love to see what you're working on. And if you've come up with some fun stitches in your Stitch Creator, take a picture and post it so all of us can enjoy and see what you're working on. So if you know you're not using your Pfaff Performance Icon to its fullest, this online course is guaranteed to help you become a better user of your machine.